Start. Sir, comma, there are checks and balances which are inherent in our great democracy whereby we correct ourselves and nudge each other in that direction of rightness. Stop. When that dissolves, comma, there will be civil unrest. Stop. Today this parliament is going to be discussing amendments to juvenile justice laws. Stop. There is social media that comes about into that. Stop. We are able to coerce young impressionable minds to go and meet unknowns and strangers. Stop. We are able to sit back and watch pedophiles preying on young children, comma, who have access to internet and pornography. Stop. We are unable to control free access to pornography all over the country, comma, and you have juveniles committing crimes, comma, which is now going to make sure that we bring amendments to juvenile justice laws. Stop. All of these are spin-offs of aberrations. Stop. So what do you do? Stop. If the channels have been abusive or offensive, comma, it is not acceptable to anyone. Stop. Anyone with any sense of rightness or decency will not contribute to that. Stop. But there are corrective measures. Stop. There are methods by which we can set them on to the right path. Stop. This kind of one upmanship where we are going to show muscle and might against each other, comma, the executive and the media, comma, is not going to give you the desired results. Stop. Era. Hence, we come to assemblies and the parliament where we raise issues like this to ensure that this goes back into course correction, and it would be wise, comma, if it is self-regulatory. Stop. If you take off two prime channels because of our injured sense of self, comma, number one, comma, it shows you as being far more vulnerable than what you are. Stop. You are chief ministers of states and you should have the authority and the accountability whereby the citizens of the state see you as a person who is fair, comma, who can correct things and who can continue maintaining the pillars of democracy. Stop. That is the primary concern that we address, comma, and not the individual egos that go into deteriorating systems like this. Stop. This will only lead to deterioration of law and order in these places. Stop. The government of Telangana must realize that they have to be able to come forward. Stop. You are the one who is supposed to be accountable and responsible. Stop. Era. Now, whatever you have objected to is heard by all and you can set it up on different fora whereby these will be addressed and corrections will take place. Stop. But if you are going to be an offender as well, comma, then I am sorry, there is no public sympathy. Stop. The larger picture is of the freedom of press, the ability of the press to articulate what is happening and more important, comma, to reflect what happens in the society. Stop. It is not that the media is always right. Stop. We have had enough and more incidents where we are all witness to history, comma, where we have seen how the media leans one way or the other. Stop. It is better that they also apply corrections to themselves and be self-regulatory before other people step forward and intervene, comma, which will be unpleasant for everyone. Stop. Para. Sir, this house has, on several occasions, discussed what else needs to be done for the media. First, the press council is completely toothless. What is the point of having a figurehead and a rubber stamp if we are not going to empower them to take up issues whereby they will be able to mediate and set the things right? At one time, when we were on the other side of the benches, the BJP had at that point said that we should look into having an amendment and bring about different legislations which will set right such instances, and that will be a separate enactment for print media and for visual media to ensure that they contain the autonomies and are able to police them in that sense. Now, policing does not have to necessarily be a bad word. On the social media, if the house recalls, when Shri Kapil Sibbal brought about a thought that there should be a restraint on the social media, we had a mass reaction, a thoughtless mass reaction, where we had people howling for the freedom of press without understanding the dimensions, the national security risks, the influence on juveniles, what happens to vulnerable women, and many aspects of our society which go through the prism of our social media. And while we all encourage that we must have access to free press, free press must also come forward with their own sense of responsibility and accountability, as they remain the fourth pillar of our democracy. In the absence of scientific policing, our policemen are tired everywhere. We need to be able to have enhanced policing systems. You need to bring in the police reforms.